Border Collie versus Australian Cattle Dog, Barking and Noise. Introduction. When it comes to choosing the perfect canine companion, it is essential to consider various factors, including their barking tendencies and noise level. Two breeds that often come to mind are the Border Collie and the Australian Cattle Dog. Both breeds are known for their intelligence, agility, and working abilities. However, how do they compare when it comes to barking and noise? In this article, we will explore the barking tendencies and noise level of both breeds, providing you with valuable insights to help you make an informed choice. Barking tendencies of Border Collies. Border Collies are known to be vocal dogs, and their barking tendencies can vary from individual to individual. As highly intelligent and alert dogs, they are naturally inclined to bark as a means of communication. However, excessive barking can become a problem, especially when it occurs without a valid reason. One characteristic that contributes to the Border Collie's barking tendencies is their herding instinct. As herding dogs, they have been bred to control and move livestock, and barking plays a crucial role in this task. While excessive barking can be trained out of them, it is essential to provide sufficient mental and physical stimulation to prevent them from becoming bored and resorting to excessive vocalizations. Barking tendencies of Australian Cattle Dogs. Similar to Border Collies, Australian Cattle Dogs have a natural inclination to bark. However, their barking tendencies are typically more focused and purposeful. As working dogs bred to herd cattle, they use their vocalizations to control and move livestock effectively. Australian cattle dogs are known for their high energy levels and need for mental and physical stimulation, making them prone to bark when they are bored or not adequately exercised. One noteworthy aspect of Australian cattle dogs is their strong protective instincts. They are loyal and dedicated to their families, which can lead to excessive barking when they perceive a threat or when they are on guard duty. Early socialization and training play a vital role in managing their barking tendencies. Comparing the noise level. While both Border Collies and Australian Cattle Dogs have a propensity to bark, it is important to consider the noise level each breed produces. Border Collies generally have a moderate noise level when it comes to barking. Their vocalizations tend to be loud and energetic, but they are not typically excessive. With proper training and socialization, their barking can be managed effectively. On the other hand, Australian cattle dogs have a slightly higher noise level due to their tendency to bark more intensely. Their vocalizations can be described as persistent and loud when they are expressing their needs or perceiving a threat. However, it is worth noting that each dog's individual personality and training will play a significant role in determining their noise level. Tips for managing barking tendencies. Regardless of the breed you choose, managing barking tendencies effectively is essential for a harmonious living environment. Here are some tips that can help. 1. Early training. Start training your dog from a young age to establish boundaries and teach them the appropriate times to bark. 2. Socialization. Expose your dog to various people, animals, and environments to help them feel more comfortable and confident, reducing unnecessary barking. 3. Mental and physical stimulation. Provide your dog with plenty of exercises and mental stimulation to prevent boredom, which can lead to excessive barking. For consistency, be consistent with training and reward-based methods, reinforcing good behavior and discouraging excessive barking. 5. Seek professional help if needed. If you are struggling to manage your dog's barking tendencies, consider seeking professional help from a qualified dog trainer or behaviorist. Conclusion. Both Border Collies and Australian Cattle Dogs have barking tendencies that stem from their working backgrounds and natural instincts. While Border Collies generally have a moderate noise level, Australian Cattle Dogs can be slightly more intense in their vocalizations. However, with proper training, socialization, and mental stimulation, both breeds can be managed effectively to minimize excessive barking. Ultimately, the choice between these two breeds should be based on various factors, including their barking tendencies, but also considering other essential aspects like their temperament, exercise needs, and lifestyle compatibility.